Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm KZY. If you want to create something, you will be probably faced with one problem, that is designing. I can say it's one of the hardest parts of development like web app or mobile app. If you don't want to do designing, you can use free assets, but I don't recommend it because many people also try to use the free assets, and so maybe your game looks similar to other games and it doesn't look like original. It's important to make your game look unique, so it's good to learn designing by yourself even though you are a software developer. So on today's video, I show you how I self-studied designing of pixel art. So let me firstly talk about design concept. Before I created my own mobile game, I researched about design, like how I can create design easier and faster, which design I don't need lots of time to study, and finally I reached pixel art. I think pixel art is more beginner friendly than other designing because it's easier and faster to make your idea on design. It's more like a puzzle game. And when it comes to pixel art designing service, I often use Piskel. It's pixel art designing service for free. You can draw a character, game background image, also you can write an animation. Let me show you a bit about Piskel. So first, you can search it on Google and find the Piskel on top of the search. So what we have to do now, first you have to click this one, create sprite. We move to the editor page and you can create your own pixel art here. I'll show you how to use the Piskel or the basic one. So if you touch this one, you can create a circle very easily. And here, for example, I write a character like this. And here we have a color palette, then you can choose the favorite color. I just put here. And if you choose this one, bucket, you don't have to color pixel one by one, you just color everything inside your circle. And if you want to make your character moving, you put here duplicate this frame. And then you see we have just duplicated the original one. And your character, open your mouse and also close your mouse. Yeah, you see? It's like speaking something. And if we move the speed, I think it's a bit small, so I just put the preview pop-up. So just easy, just a few clicks, you can create an animation very easily on Piskel. Next, color concept. Color is one of the most important elements to decide whether it's a good design or not. Color is like an entrance. If the entrance look untidy and messy, you don't want to come in, right? Same principle. And I always use one website, that is LostPack. This is one of the best place to study pixel art designing. You can see a lot of beautiful examples and you can learn pixel art designing for free. I'll show you how I use LostPack. You just type LostPack on Google search and you see the top of the search. You can see LostPack here, so you just click it. You see it's totally free and there are a lot of tutorials and also the examples of the color variations, so maybe you can study a lot of things from this website. And for me, I often use palette list. On this palette list, you can see a lot of color examples. Actually, I like the palette color, so I just type it, palette. Sorry, not palette, pastel. So pastel color here. Yeah, I actually like this one because it looks like a retro and maybe a gentle and good for your eyes. So for today's video, maybe I use this one, vanilla milkshake. So here you can see the example image here. Even though they use many different colors, it doesn't look so bright and too vivid. It's like very gentle, so I love that. So for here, I will show you how I use these LostPack examples to my design. So here, I just scribbled this one, so it's just a flower and sky and the ground here. So I'll show you how to change this vivid color to pastel color based on the LostPack. So for example, I want to change the sky's color. I just copy this color palette and move to Piskel. And here, your color palette, you just copy and paste this one and you choose plain bucket. Yeah, just change based on the LostPack. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so now you see the big difference here. This is the original one and this is the one I just changed the color based on LostPack. Like every color is gentle and much very nice. Yeah, this is how I use raw spec. If we have a color example, maybe we can apply the color codes to your design. Then you can create your own color concept on your design. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and also put the thumb button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.